Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this lesson we're focusing on the transition metals. If you look at your periodic table, the section in the middle of your periodic table, around here, between groups 2 and group 3, these are known as the transition metals. And we come across some of the common transition metals, things like iron, copper and gold. These are all examples of transition metals. You could be asked to compare these transition metals to the metals that are in group 1. And you should know some of the differences between the metals. Well, first of all, transition metals are not reactive. We've seen in our previous video that the group 1 metals react quite violently with water and also with oxygen. Transition metals don't react with oxygen or water. And this is why we can use copper in our water pipes. Compared to the group 1 metals, transition metals are also harder and stronger. You can't cut these transition metals with a knife like you could with the group 1 elements. And they've also got a higher melting point and boiling point. They're also denser. A lot of these metals will not float in water. And when we form compounds using transition metals, a lot of the compounds are coloured. Whereas the group 1 elements, all of their compounds had a white colour. And if we look at just a few examples here, you can see that the transition metal compounds form many different colours. One of the common uses for transition metals is that they're also used as catalysts. And in previous videos we've learned that a catalyst works by lowering activation energy, which means that it reduces costs for businesses. A common catalyst is iron. And iron is a catalyst for the Haber process. And we use the Haber process to make ammonia. But the last thing about transition metals is that the transition metals form ions with different charges. For example, we have iron 2 plus and we also have iron 3 plus. This means that iron oxide can come in 2 different forms. Iron oxide can either have the chemical formula FeO, or it could have the chemical formula Fe2O3. For the group 1 metals, we've seen that they only formed a +1 ion. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay in touch for another video.